I'm in the beautiful Similkameen Valley, but I didn't want to not put out another vlog, so I'm going to do it in -7 below weather. I'm going for a little stroll. Continuing the search engine optimization series that I'm doing, I think that this one should be probably the next in line after we've already talked about, I've talked about domains and how that's important. Let's talk about the technical requirements that your website needs to have in order to rank properly on Google. So there's a few things I'll talk about here, and the first is site speed. Your site needs to load relatively fast. Now, uber geeks in web development will sit there and tell you that your website needs to, load within 0.001 milliseconds. And granted, super fast website will probably translate to better ranking. It doesn't need to rank that fast. Now, if you're in a space where you're competing with Amazon for traffic, then yeah, your website needs to launch that fast, but you have a whole lot of other stuff you need to do to start outranking Amazon. So just make sure your page loads relatively fast. And there's a few tools out there. If you Google website speed, it'll let you plug in your URL and do a quick test, and it'll give you a ranking. So you just want to make sure that it's loading relatively fast. It doesn't have to load super fast, but fast enough so that Google can render those when its spiders crawl the website. And then I think secondly is that your website is mobile responsive. So Google actually now ranks websites mobilely first. So if your website doesn't rank properly or render properly in a mobile browser, you're not gonna compete well for those top keywords. So history here, or lesson here: make sure your page speed is up to snuff and your website loads relatively quickly, and make sure your website loads flawlessly on a mobile device.